Mommy, when are we going to eat the sausage? For days, my children have been asking me this question. I recently added sausage to my small business, and every day they see it, they remind me of my promise. Today is finally the day. Join me as I prepare simple fried rice for lunch for my family. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another village kitchen day. Today, I'm making a very special dinner for my family. My children have never tasted sausage before since I started selling it in my store. They kept talking about it every single day. So today, I'm keeping my promise. I started by steaming my meat with seasoning cube, blended pepper, onions, yes, goat meat. So let's add little water to steam. I also use thyme, ginger powder. So let's marinate it and put it on a low heat for it to steam. So after steaming the meat, we are going to set it aside and fry the meat before it. So here is our hot oil. The oil is hot. Let's fry the meat. I've already cut the ingredients I'll be using for the fried rice: carrots, spring onions, that is green onions, and the sausage. This little sausage has become the most talked about item in my house. So these are the simple ingredients I'm going to be using. So let's scoop out the meat that's fried to golden brown. Good morning. Don't call the funny. I'm going to take you all along with me step by step. Don't call the funny. One thing I love about homemade fried rice is that you can use whatever vegetables you have available. So I'm going to be using what I have available. So after frying our meat, we're going to put in some oil into the pot that we use. I've put in my chopped spring onions, that is green onions. So let's use it to fry the oil. So let's turn in our meat stock. We are going to be adding turmeric. I'm going to be using turmeric instead of curry. The turmeric, I did it myself, so I use it as an alternative to curry powder. I'm going to be adding our water that will cook the rice. Let's add more turmeric and pepper. We are going to be adding seasoning cube that will cook the rice, that will give the rice that delicious taste. Going to add a pinch of salt and add some little thyme. So let's cover the pot for it to boil out, and then we are going to be washing the rice that we use. Yes, I'm going to be using Nigerian local rice. Yes, it's stoneless, so I'm going to be using salt to wash it. I always like to use salt to wash my rice if I'm not parboiling it. Got to be washing it like twice. So after washing the rice, the water has boiled. We are going to be scooping it into the boiled ingredients water. So our rice is done. I'm going to be frying the sausage because I had to like why I did fry it after frying the meat is because I needed to put the rice on fire. My son is very hungry. You know, he can't wait. He can't wait. He can't just wait. There's the sausage, and I don't want him to eat it alone. Let him eat it along with the food. So I'm going to be turning in my carrots into a small pot, green beans, chopped green beans. I'm not using green pepper because I don't like it. I added seasoning cube, thyme, and I'm going to be adding water to steam it. So our sausage has fried. I'm going to scoop it aside and put the green beans and carrots on fire. So I'm going to be taking some rice to give my son since he's already waiting for me. He's hungry. And since the sausage is ready, yes, finally, he's going to taste it. Going to be tasting the sausage. I'm giving him some meat. Yes, our piston has boiled, so I'm going to be taking out the water. I'm going to be adding it to the rice, and then we'll mix it together. Now it's looking colorful and delicious. One carry water now. Finally, our lunch is ready. Today was more than just cooking fried rice. It was about keeping a promise and creating a happy family memory. Thank you for spending part of your day with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm going to be having test. Let me test to see how it tastes like. My god, see how delicious it looks like. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is very delicious. Wow, love it. You know, I must dance. If I don't dance, this cooking vlog is incomplete. See you in the next vlog. Real life, real hustle, real love. One love, everyone. One love.